Dear students, welcome to the video class of the chapter trigonometric. Okay, to refresh our mind, let's do Brahmanath. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dear students, in last class we discussed the trigonometric identities and some trigonometric formula, then ASTC rule and some applications. Today we are going to discuss what is domain of the trigonometric function, what is range of the trigonometric function, and some applications. Okay, now what is before discussing the domain and range, we have to know about what is interval and application of interval. Okay, what is interval and application of intervals. Now let's discuss what is interval. What is interval? Interval. Interval. Actually, interval. What do you mean by interval? Suppose one example. Suppose x belongs to set of real number and x greater than 1. What is the meaning? X greater than 1 and x is real number. What is its meaning? This is number line minus infinity to plus infinity, and this is a number, real number, point 1 here. Here x greater than 1 means what? X greater than 1 means what? That is the value of x greater than 1 means here x not equal to 1. X greater than 1 means what? X 1 सहित equal होबनी, ताठू अधिक माने एठू. Okay, so this region is called, this x greater than 1 means this region. So x belongs to what? 1 to infinity. 1 to infinity. This is called interval form. This is called interval form, and this is called what? Inequality form. Inequality form. This is one example of interval. Okay, so what is meant by interval? It is the bracketed expression. The expression, the inequality is written in the bracket form is called interval. Okay, so what is meant by interval? The inequality can be expressed in bracket form. Okay, in bracket form, so it is called interval. The inequality this is one example. Okay, so interval means what? The inequality can be expressed using brackets. The inequality can be expressed using bracket and this system and this process is called, and this process is called, this process is called interval form. Okay, interval form. What do you mean by inequality? Inequality means it contains greater than, less than, greater than sign, less than equal to, greater than equal to sign. Inequality means what? Inequality means, inequality, what is inequality? Expression contains less than, greater than, less than equal to, or greater than equal to sign is called inequality. Okay, inequality. So interval is the bracket expression of the inequality can be expressed using bracket, and this process is called interval form. Okay, now types of interval. There are 4 types of interval. Number 1 is open interval, number 2 is closed interval, number 3 that is left open right close, and number 4 is what? Right open, left close, right open. Okay, now let's discuss one by one what is open interval, and let's discuss the types of interval. Okay, now types of interval, that is open interval. Open interval. What is the symbol of open interval? The symbol of this open interval is common bracket, or this type of bracket. This is open interval. This is open interval. What is this? Let a comma b belongs to set of real number R, where a less than b, then x belongs to a comma b means a less than x less than b. Here now equal sign absent. If equal sign absent, then this will be what? Common bracket. Interval form is common bracket, that is open interval. Okay, so suppose this is number line and this is minus infinity plus infinity, and this is a less than b. So first write here a, then what? B. The value of x lies between a and b, but not at a and b. So a, b excludes, a and b are excluded. Means what? The value of a means what? A and b are excluded means what? Here, that is x not equal to a, x not equal to b, and x lies between. X lies between a and b. This is the concept of open interval. Okay, so the value of x lies between here, this, like this. Okay, this is the concept of open interval. Now regarding closed interval, what is closed interval? Now let's discuss about closed interval. Types of interval. Second type of interval, that is closed interval. Closed interval. Closed interval, and its symbol is what? Its symbol is square bracket. Same concept here, but equal to sign present. Let A comma B belongs to set of real number R such that or where A less than B, where A less than B. Okay, then X belongs to square bracket A comma B. X belongs to square bracket A comma B means what? Means A less than X equal to B. A less than X less than equal to B. A less than X less than equal to X less than equal to B means here A and B are included. If the graph is like, if the number line is like this, minus infinity to plus infinity, and A less than B, since A less than B, so write A first and then B and then B, then A less than equal to X less than equal to B. Here X is equal to A, X is equal to B, and X lies between A and B. This is the concept of closed interval. This is the concept of closed interval. That is, from this data we have that we can write value of X start from A and ends with V. So here A is included means dark bold point, B is also included, this is sign of included in the number line, and A start, X value starts from A and ends with V. This is all values, value of X lies between here. So this is the concept of open interval. Okay, one thing mark here, if equal to sign present, then it will be square bracket. If equal to sign absent, then what will, then common bracket is used. Okay, if equal to sign present, then use square bracket. If equal to sign absent, then use common bracket. Now this is type 2. Then type 3, left open, right closed. Third one is left open and right closed. Left open and right close, same concept. Let A comma B belongs to set of real number R where A less than B, then X belongs to left open means what? Common bracket. Right close means what? Close means square bracket. Right side square bracket. It means A less than X for common bracket, less than equal to sign absent, less than equal to B, equal to sign because square bracket present. So if the number line like this, minus infinity to plus infinity, and this is A, and this is B. So what happens here? Value of x not equal to A here. X not equal to A, x is equal to B because equal sign present here, and x lies between A and B. Here common bracket present, so exclude means circle and include means we have to use dark bold point. So value of x lies start from this and ends with A, ends with V. This is the concept of open interval. Clear? Now fourth one is its reverse. Left closed and right open. Okay, now let's discuss about the fourth type of interval. Okay, fourth one is left closed and right open. Left close and right open. Left close and right open. Same concept. Let A and B belongs to set of real number R, where A less than B, and then x belongs to left close means what? Close means square brackets. Mind it, close means what? Pay attention here. Close means what? Close means square bracket. A open means common bracket. Its meaning is what? That means A less than equal to x less than B. This is the concept. Suppose this is minus infinity plus infinity and A less than B, write first A and this is B. Value of x starts from A but less than B. Value of A starts from A but less than B. So here x is equal to A, x is equal to A and x not equal to B. Why? Because in right side that is nearer to B is the side bracket is open bracket, that is common bracket. If common bracket, then the value of x not equal to that point. Okay, all points like this start from here like this. These are four types of interval. Now let's discuss about its application. 3-4 applications. Then we are going to discuss what is domain, how to find domain of the function and its applications. Okay, now let's discuss some applications regarding interval. Write the following inequality into interval form. Before that, write one note. Interval form of real number is what? Interval form of a real number, set of real number R. Real number R is minus infinity comma infinity. Very very important. In case of plus minus infinity or minus infinity, the bracket should be what? the bracket should be common bracket. In case of infinity plus or minus, the bracket should be what? Common bracket. Now some applications of that is interval. Question: write the following inequality single term, that is inequality single term. This is single term, inequality in interval form. In interval form. Number 1, x such that x belongs to R, that is set of real number R, x greater than is equal to 2. X greater than equal to 2. So solution, answer. What is answer here? This is real number line, minus infinity plus infinity, and this is what? This is supposed to x greater than 2 means left or right? What? Greater than 2 number, greater than the numbers greater than 2 means what? Left side or right side? What? Greater than means obviously right side. Equal to sign present. For equal to sign, both points, and greater than 2 like this up to infinity. So this is what? Inequality form. Its interval form is what? Equal to sign present, that is x belongs to, if equal to sign present, then square bracket, this should be square bracket, 2 comma infinity. For infinity, I again repeat, for infinity, either plus infinity or minus infinity, the bracket should be what? The bracket should be common bracket. This is common bracket and this is square bracket. Another question: x such that x belongs to R, minus 2 less than x less than 4. Write in interval form. So solution, answer is what? This is minus infinity, this is plus infinity, and what is smaller number? Minus 2 smaller number, so write minus 2 first, then 4. X lies between 2 and 4. 2 and 4 both are excluded because equal to sign absent. So this is like this, this is exclude sign, and x lies between here, this is x. What is the interval form? So interval form is what? Interval form is what? X belongs to minus 2, because minus 2 here, common bracket because square bracket absent, equal to sign absent, common bracket due to equal to sign absent, and this is 4 common bracket, both are common bracket because this here equal to sign absent, here equal to sign absent. If equal to sign present, then the bracket should be square bracket. Clear? Then another question: x such that x belongs to R, 5 less than x less than 7. So direct we will write the answer, equal to sign. So answer is what? X belongs to square bracket 5 comma 7. Directly we can write, because square bracket equal sign present, so square bracket. There is no equal sign here, so common bracket. This is common bracket. Clear? Another question: x such that x less than minus 1, x greater than 2. This is very important. This is very important. Okay, so solution answer is what? Suppose this is what? Minus infinity, this is plus infinity, and this is first minus 1 and this is what? Plus 2. Read this symbolic language. X less than minus 1 means equal sign absent, so this exclude. Here include sign absent, so exclude. Less than minus 1 means left side of minus 1. Greater than plus 2 means right side from this. So this is the interval. So interval form is what? Interval form is x belongs to minus infinity minus 1, common bracket both, union 2 to infinity, union 2 to infinity. Or this can be written as, this is suppose minus infinity, this is plus infinity, minus 1 and this is what? 2. These are the regions. Okay, we can write total is what? Total is R minus this. So square bracket minus 1 comma 2. Eta tiki important deva padibo. Common bracket minus 1 here, common bracket 2 here. In case of we write such case, minus, that is total is R. R2 etiki minus kar daba, square brackets. Okay, these are the some concept. If this is will be square bracket, then this is common bracket. Opposite sign. This is common and this is square. If this is square, then it is common bracket. Now concept of modulus function. Now concept of modulus function. Concepts of modulus. Concept of modulus function. So what is concept here? Mod x is equal to x if x greater than equal to 0, minus x if less than 0. Okay, for example, let x is equal to suppose 5. Here x greater than 0. So mod x is equal to x, that is mod 5 is equal to 5. Example 1. Example 2, let x is equal to minus 7 and x here x less than 0. So mod of x is equal to minus x. So mod of x is equal to minus, that is mod of minus 7 is equal to minus of minus 7. So this is 7. तो आम जनरली स्कूल रे बिलो 10th क्लास पढ़ते मॉडुलस फंक्शन थिले आम प्लस लिखा रीजन यहाँ रीजनटा दिस माइनस नंबर था प्लस नंबर था मोड लेफ्ट प्लस हो इफ द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज मीनिंग ऑफ मोड एक्स यू हैव टू से मोड एक्स इज इक्वल टू एक्स व्हेन एक्स ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0 mod x is equal to minus x when x less than 0. For example, this is the concept and the question is, if the question is what, x mod of minus 7 is equal to 7, mod of 8 equal to 8. If there is a real suppose there is a number then what is mode of that number is always positive. Okay, some interval regarding mode x formula, our very very important note. This is the note. Mode x less than equal to a very very important note. Remember this. Mode x less than 1, a means what? That is minus a less than equal to x less than equal to x less than equal to a. Its interval form is what? X belongs to square bracket minus a to a. This is note 1. If this is what? Mode x less than a, then implied by minus a less than x less than a, and interval form is what? Its interval form, that is what? X belongs to common bracket minus a, or you can write here single line, implied by x belongs to square bracket minus a. Note 2, this is. Now note 3, mode x greater than or equal to a means x less than minus a, x greater than a. Remember this. And applying the concept of modulus function, we get this. This is a special chapter, inequality. In this session, we will discuss detail for the use of this function. So we have to know about the concept only. It is a special chapter. In this chapter, we will discuss the details of this, how it is obtained. But here, due to less time, it is the chapter of trigonometric and its application. It is used in trigonometric function to find domain and range. So please remember this fact. In this inequality chapter, we will discuss detail. Okay, and that is interval form is what? Interval form is x belongs to minus infinity minus a square bracket, that is a comma infinity, or we can write x belongs to r common bracket minus a or say. For the if there is mode x greater than a, then what happens here? X less than minus a, x greater than a, interval form, that is x belongs to what? Minus infinity minus a union a to infinity, or x belongs to what? X belongs to r minus, मन रख ये कौन थिला स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट थिला माइनस कले कॉमन ब्रैकेट हेला ये कौन अच्छे कॉमन ब्रैकेट अच्छे माइनस कले कौन हम आर माइनस स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट ए कमा माइनस ए कमा ए माइनस ए कमा ए. This is the concept of interval. Now the main topic is what is domain of the function and what is range of the function. Let's now domain of the function. What is domain? Domain means input. Domain is what? Input value of the function. Input value of the input value. This is input value. And range means what? Range means output. Okay. That is, let y equal to f of x be a function, then the set of the values, then the set of all possible values, of x for which the value of the function, the value of y, that is what? Value of f of x. Let y equal to f of x be a function, the set of all possible values of x for which the value of y, or that is f of x, is defined. Defined means what? That is, defined means real number. Real number is called domain of f of x and denoted by dom f. Okay, now what is range? Suppose range means what? The value of the function lies between range means the value of the function lies between minimum to maximum. Okay, that is, range means what? Let y equal to f of x be a function, then all possible values of y for which x is defined. सपोज तुम्हें मार्केट गल ड्रेस किणापी, तो फास्ट कौन से पचारे सेल्समैन, भाई को रेंज रो ड्रेस देखी, तो तुम्हें कह कौन 1000 to 2000 कहीपर, नल कहीपर 3000 to 5000 भीतर रेंज मीन्स व्हाट? मिनिमम टू मैक्सिमम वैल्यू, दैट इज रेंज. ओके, तो फंक्शन रो मिनिमम वैल्यू मैक्सिमम जदि फंक्शन रो वैल्यू ऑफ वाई जदि इनफानाइट होची, जदि पार्टिकुलर वैल्यू आसला ताको आमे सेट भितर कर्ली ब्रैकेट लिखिबा. जदि पार्टिकुलर वैल्यू आसुनी, इनफानाइट वैल्यू आसची, आमे से केस रे इंटरवल यूज करि परिबा. ओके, सो वैल्यू ऑफ फंक्शन दैट लेट y equal to f of x be a function, then all possible values of y for which x is defined. Defined means real number. Is called range of the function. And denoted by short form RNG, range f. Now let's discuss what is domain of the function. Okay, some examples. Domain of the function, some examples. What is domain of f of x is equal to suppose x square plus 3s plus 1. यार डोमेन केता हो? x value जहाँ for any value of x, the function is real number. Either put 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 190, 175, 1,57,000, etc. It is real number. For every value of x, the value of the function is real number. Here answer is what? This is question for answer is for all real values of x, f of x is real, that is defined. So domain is equal to all real values means what? All real number r, or you can write minus infinity to plus infinity, same thing. Number 2, what is domain of f of x is equal to, suppose, x plus 1 by x minus 2. So answer is what? Answer is এটা হচ্ছে x plus f of x is equal to কেতে আছে? f of x is equal to x plus 1 by x minus 2 ଅଛି। যদি x বদলে 2 পকাই দেবি, any number by 0, any number that is what? We know that k by 0 is equal to infinity if k is positive, k by 0 is equal to minus infinity if k is negative, if k is negative. For example, 2 by 0 infinity, minus 3 by 0 minus infinity. Okay, so here p by q, that is if x is equal to 2, f of x is not defined means infinity ହେଇଗଲେ ତାର ଭ୍ୟାଲ୍ୟୁ ଏକ୍ଜିଷ୍ଟ ହେବନି, ମାନେ ଆମେ ଡେଫିନାଇଟ୍ ଭ୍ୟାଲ୍ୟୁ ହେବାର ଅଛି ରିଏଲ୍ ନମ୍ବର ଗୋଟେ। ସୋ ୟା ମିନିଂ ହେଲା x ଜାଗା 2 ହେଉଛି ନଟ୍ ଡିଫାଇଣ୍ଡ ହେଇଯାଉଛି, ତ 2 କୁ ବାଦ ଦେଇକିରି 2 କୁ ଛାଡ଼ିକି ଆଉ ସବୁ ରିଏଲ୍ ନମ୍ବର ହେବ, ଛାଡ଼ିକି ମାନେ ସେଟା ମାଇନସ୍ କରିଦେବା 2ଟା। ତ ଡୋମ୍ f ଇଜ୍ ଇକ୍ୱାଲ୍ ଟୁ ହ୍ୱାଟ୍? ଡୋମ୍ f ଇକ୍ୱାଲ୍ ଟୁ all real number, set of all real number except 2, means what? Minus 2. This is the concept of domain. Now what is domain of sin x, cos x, etc.? We'll discuss what is domain of sin x, cos x, etc., tan x. What is domain of sin x? That is, solution is f of x is equal to what? Sin x. Sin x table रे इनफिनिटी देखियो मिलुछि कि नाही, सबु वैल्यू x बदले जहाँ पुट कले भी गोटे वैल्यू आसी। तो for all, this is symbol for all. What? This symbol is called for all. For all, this is for all. X belongs to R. Sin x is a real number. Sin x is a real number that is defined. So all values of x function exist. So domain of sin x is equal to R. Number 2, what is domain of cos x? Similarly, in cos table there is no infinity, so also answer is for all. The symbol is what? This is for all. For all x belongs to R. Cos x is defined. So domain of the cos x. Therefore domain of cos x is equal to what? R. cos x रे x बदले एनी वैल्यू पुट कले के वैल्यू इनफिनिटी हेबनी, तो सबू वैल्यू x पे cos x रो वैल्यू एग्जिस्ट होची, तेणु डोमेन टा R हैला। नाउ डोमेन ऑफ tan x. थर्ड वन, व्हाट इज डोमेन ऑफ y is equal to, suppose, tan x. Y is equal to tan x. Solution: y is equal to tan x. If x is equal to plus or minus pi by 2, that is plus or minus 90 degree, x is equal to plus or minus 3 pi by 2, x is equal to plus or minus 5 pi by 2 etc. 10x is not defined. कौन पाई ना 10 pi by 2 होची infinity, 10 minus pi by 2 होची minus infinity. So this is in short form, that is if x is equal to, we can write 2n plus 1 means even number plus 1, that is odd number. 2n plus 1 odd multiple of pi by 2. 10x is not defined. 10x is not defined. तो यही वैल्यू x रो यही वैल्यू पाई 10x टा डिफाइंड नहीं तो यही वैल्यू हम रिजेक्ट वैल्यू डोमेन से ट्रू. Therefore domain of 10x is equal to what? Is equal to r minus 2n plus 1 pi by 2. X is equal to r. R minus what? X is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2, where n belongs to what? N belongs to z. This is domain of 10x. Now what is domain of cot x? What is domain of y equal to cot x? Solution answer is y is equal to cot x is not defined for x is equal to 0, pi plus or minus pi, 0 plus or minus pi, x is equal to 0 plus or minus pi plus or minus 2 pi etc. That is if x is equal to n pi, n belongs to z, cot x is not defined. N belongs to z, cot x is not defined. Therefore this is the reject value of the domain set. Therefore domain of cot x is equal to r minus x is equal to n pi, n belongs to z, or n belongs to z, or simply you can write r minus what? N pi, n belongs to z, or you can write simply here, or you can write here, that is r minus what? 2n plus 1 pi by 2, n belongs to z. एमती भी लिखी परिबा एतना रखी x equal to. So this is the domain of tan x and cot x. Now domain of sec x. What is domain of y is equal to sec x? Okay, solution y is equal to sec x when x is equal to is not defined for, that is sec x means what? Sec x means 1 by cos x. Cos x टा कोड 0 होची, pi cos x टा कोड 0 होची, any number by 0 undefined. Cos x टा 0 होची, odd multiple of pi by 2 रे is not defined if x is equal to odd multiple of pi by 2. That is what? That is not defined for x is equal to plus or minus pi by 2, plus or minus 3 pi by 2, like this. That is for x is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2, sec x is not defined. So domain is what? Domain of sec x. Domain of sec x is what? Is r minus 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Now what is domain of cosec x. So solution is what? Solution is, that is cosec x is equal to 1 by sin x. तो sin x टा कोट 0 होची ना 0 रे 0 होची पाई रे होची प्लस और माइनस पाई होची प्लस और माइनस 2 पे होची एटसेट्रा. So solution is y is equal to cosec x is not defined for x is equal to 0 plus or minus pi plus or minus 2 pi plus or minus 3 pi etc. So that is for x is equal to n pi, n belongs to z, cosec x is not defined. So domain, therefore domain of cosec x is r minus what? N pi, n belongs to z. These are the domain of the function, trigonometric function. Now regarding range, note for range, note mode of sin x less than equal to 1. We know from the concept of modulus function x less than equal to a, then we can minus a less than x less than a, or that is what? That implies what? X belongs to common bracket minus square bracket minus a to a. This is according to this what? That is sin x less than minus 1 to 1. So sin x belongs to square bracket minus 1 to 1. तो sin x रो वैल्यू टा minus 1 to plus 1 भीतर रहबो. Therefore range of sin x is minus 1 to 1. Similarly, 2 mode of cos x less than equal to 1. Okay, so minus cos x, cos x less than minus 1 to plus 1, एटा सब मन रखियो पड़ो. मु कहि कि मन रहबो डिटेल. So cos x lies between, cos x belongs to minus 1 to plus 1. So for range of cos x is minus infinity. Now tan x lies between minus infinity plus 1. Third note, tan x lies between minus infinity less than tan x less than infinity. So range of tan x is minus infinity plus infinity, or you can say that is r. 4 minus infinity less than cot x less than equal to plus infinity less than cos infinity. So range of cot x is equal to what? Minus infinity plus infinity, or we can say capital R. Set of real. 5 we know mode sin x less than equal to 1, mode cos x less than equal to 1. So sec x, mode sec x cos x less than equal to 1. रेसिप्रो कैलकुलेट देखा 1 by 2 टा 1 to less मतलब उल्टे दी तको 2 टा ग्रेटर देन 1 ही होची ना. सेम सही कांसेप्ट ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू केते 1. तो ये कांसेप्ट कोन अछि हमरो मोड x गोटे कांसेप्ट अछि. मोड x ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू a हेले x लेस देन इक्वल टू माइनस a, x ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू प्लस a. So sec x less than equal to minus 1 and sec x greater than equal to 1. तो sec x टा का भीतर रहला minus 1 तळु रहला. तो sec x minus 1 तो तळु को माने minus infinity to केते minus 1 1 2 पर को यूनियन केते 1 to infinity. or we can say sec x, or we can say sec x belongs to r common bracket square bracket अच्छी -1 to +1. ओके जदि ये स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट हो जॉइंट है क्वेश्चन टाइप रोचे तो आर माइनस लिखिपर सिंपल थे लिखा दरकार नहीं आर माइनस स्क्वायर थे कमन हो यहाँ इंपोर्टेंट. तो रेंज ऑफ sec x इज इक्वल टू व्हाट रेंज ऑफ sec x इज इक्वल टू -∞ -1 यूनियन व्हाट 1 to ∞, or r minus common bracket -1 to +1. Similarly, sixth number 6 1 by, as you know, mode of sin x what less than equal to 1. यदि 1 by कर देबी कौन हम 1 by sin means what cosec x mod greater than equal to 1. Similarly as 5, तो range of what range of cosec x is -∞ -1 union what 1 to ∞, or r minus common bracket -1 to +1. This is the concept of domain and range. Okay, now the domain and range table. Trigonometric function domain range. Sin x domain is what r, domain is r, or -∞ +∞, range is what -1 to +1. What is the meaning of minimum value of sin x -1? What is the maximum value of sin x +1? Cos x same thing, domain r, or we can write -∞ +∞, range is -1 to +1. Tan x domain is what r minus 2n plus 1 pi by 2, n belongs to z, and this is what -∞ +∞, or you can write r. And what is domain of cot x? That is r minus what n pi, n belongs to z, or this is -∞ +∞, or you can write simple r, capital R. And what is domain of sec x? Sec means what 1 by cos, tan means what 1 by cos. So a दुईटार domain same रहिबो, तो केते रहबो r minus 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, n belongs to z, and range is what -∞ -1 square bracket 1 to what 1 to ∞, or लिखि परिबा or r minus common bracket -1 to 1. Same thing cot रे जते रहबो cosec से दियो रहबो. Domain of cosec x is what r minus n pi, n belongs to z, and its range is what -∞ -1 square bracket 1 to ∞, or r minus what r minus -1 to +1. This is the range of domain and range table of the trigonometric functions. Okay, now your question will be what how mod sin x less than equal to 1. It is obviously your doubt. Let's discuss how mod sin x less than equal to 1. Okay, it is your doubt, I know. One common doubt of all students, how or why how mod of sin x less than equal to 1. This is your doubt. This is your doubt. Okay, now let's clarify your doubt. This is a circle and suppose this is theta and this is O, and this is A, and this is B. Okay, so theta, this is P, and this is B, and this is H. Obviously P less than H. Clear? How sin mode of sin x less than 1? It is your doubt, I know. It is your doubt, I know. So I want to clarify your doubt. How mode sin x is equal less than 1, or mode sin theta less than 1, less than equal to 1? Obviously or clearly, what? P less than H. এটা সমস্ত accept করিবে P less than H হবো when theta is equal to 90 डिग्री. धन्य ये जो थीटाटा 90 डिग्री है माने रोटेशन करके ये आसला बी पॉइंट ये पहुँचीगला से केस रे कौन हम ना हाइट आउ सॉरी परपेंडिकुलर एटा हम आउ हाइटा भी हाइपोटेन्यूज भी एटा है. देखो एटा एति हाइपोटेन्यूज अच्छी ना नहीं, ये रोटेशन कला बर्तमान सॉरी एटा परपेंडिकुलर अच्छे ना पीटा पी लेंथ ये रोटेशन कला बर्तमान पीटा ये गला जो एबीटा कौन है आ सहित कोइंसाइड हो गला. इफ थीटा changes to 90 degree then what? Then P tends to H. P टा H है जो. So ये देश केस रे एट केस P is equal to H है जो. So ये दीटा केस रे suppose this is I and this is double I. From I and double I, from I and double I, why we can get P less than equal to H. So mode P less than equal to mode H. Divide both side by H. Mode P by mode H is less than equal to mode H by mode H. So this is what? Sin theta mode less than equal to 1. This is the reason why mode of sin theta less than 1. Similarly, how or why? How mode of cos theta less than equal to, same concept. Clearly B is always less than H. Okay, B is less than always H if theta is equal to 0. Suppose this is circle, this is what? This is A, and this is B, and this is O, and this is theta. If theta is 0, ए थीटा टा 0 हला तो बी टा का से तो एटा ओ बी एटा हाइट एटा हाइपोटेन्यूज एटा परपेंडिकुलर एटा बेस ना नहीं तो बेस से तो हाइपोटेन्यूज इक्वल है जो थीटा इज इक्वल टू 0 डिग्री देन बेस इज इक्वल टू हाइपोटेन्यूज. ओके, बेस इज इक्वल टू हाइपोटेन्यूज. तो बेस इज इक्वल टू हाइपोटेन्यूज. दिस इज सपोज I and this is double I. So B less than equal to H, that implies mode B less than equal to mode H. So divide by mode H by mode H 1. So sin theta cos theta, this is value of cos theta, this is mode B by mode H, that implies B by H means cos theta mode less than equal to 1. This is the reason how and why cos theta less than equal to 1. Okay, these are the some concept, fundamental concept of interval, domain, range, and how mode of sin theta less than 1 and how mode of cos theta less than 1. Okay, now in next video, in next class, we will discuss about allied angles. What is allied angles and its application. Thank you. Have a nice day.